trailhead full of zombies. I met a strange lady, she made me nervous. Hey everybody, Pro Trader Mike and the MOJO Day Trading team in the show for today. Hope everyone's doing really nice with the Mojo and what they got going on today. Let me show you over here and bring you over to the room. Let me see if I can pop out my video. That didn't work. Let me try that again. So right now it's Friday, TGIF, and it's lunchtime, 12:16. We had a pretty nice day in the Mojo room. Had a couple of free visitors that came by. I want to thank everybody for stopping by the Mojo room and seeing how I manage, trade, and coach and caddy for over 100 traders on a daily basis that make profits trading in the stock market. Well, that's what we do in the Mojo room. Losses, yes, there are losses, but on trades, not really on losing your account or losing for the day. Rookie traders that are not seasoned, yes, they lose on the day, but more of the sophisticated traders, guys that have a real system, they do pretty well. Let me show you what we did today in the MOJO Day Trade room. So right here for the poll for the day, earlier, we had 14 traders that made between $1 to $500 trading today. And then I'll show you what we traded. We had 2 traders that made between $500 to $1,000 today. 1 trader made between $1 to $2,000. 5 traders made money in the demo. Nobody lost money for real. 3 people lost money practicing and trading in the demo, and 3 people are watching and observing. That was the poll for today. I appreciate you all taking the poll and doing that. Right now we're in DGAS. It's 80.81. We own it at 73. DGAS is approaching its 80.81 now, guys. We own it at 73. Right here, DGAS average is actually 571. It was 573. Then 74, 75. I bought up. My average was lower. Gibson was quite a shock. Gibson, let me show you what we did with Gibson today. So Gibson in the Mojo Day Trade room, we bought people's auto closes. So if you got in to Gibson at 433, I got your auto close down here at the 355. Average is 354.741 on 5,000 shares. The stock halted trading. It opened up at $4. XIV at 32.71. We own it down here at 31.98. That's $1 move on that stock. Gibson made a huge move, have 2,000 left on the Gibson. Gibson originally was buying up there. So what happened was today, Gibson, XIV and Gibson have my full attention. That's nice. No better room on the planet than the Mojo Day Trade room. Absolutely. That's pretty much it. Today we're going to talk about trading losses, how to deal with them. Everybody has them. It just depends upon what level of trader you are. Here's an email I just got right here. 2 of them today. Here's the first one. It's been a fun ride. I blew up my account on Gibson from 7,500 to 3,700, totally off the reservation. Anyway, I'm canceling my subscription and giving up. My head spinning. Please send confirmation of cancellation. Okay. Here's the other one. Right here. So that's number one. Please suspend my account. I just blew up my account on NVAX. Which stock got me into trading before I met you? I fell for the hype and overplayed my hand. I now have to put too much at risk besides money. I have to step back and reevaluate my position. Okay? So he sent me that email right there. Okay? Because he's real emotional. Okay? I know $100 a month isn't enough, but he's got to, so he wants to maybe return in the future. That was last night. And then he sent me an email saying, disregard that. I'm not a quitter. I'm just sickened at the moment. I will take it yet as another learning experience and hopefully get stronger. I was able to use my remaining buying power to soften the blow a bit, but defiantly didn't set up. Have a great weekend. Okay. So right there, folks, these people have lost. So what I did today was I mentioned this in the room. We're going to buy Gibson. It was 480 LOD for the low of the day, and it was at $5.05. So the play was, because it started out at 550, was to see if the stock would move through 550. So we took an original position right here, anticipating number two at the low of the day or higher up here, and we sell it into that. Very, very simple. Okay? Very, very simple. That was the play. So I said, we're going to buy it right here where the X is. There's risk in this trade right down to here, and there's reward up to here. Okay, so watch. I buy the stock right here on X, and it moves up. I buy again on X, and then I start selling because it's going to where I want. That's easy. Anyone could do that. So here's Gibson. I bought right here 100 shares. The LOD is right here. I bought 200 shares. The stock rebounded back up to 95. I sold it. I didn't lose any money. This scenario number one. Let's go to scenario number two. I buy it here. It drops to the LOD. I buy 200 shares here. I bought 100 here. I buy 200 here. Now I'm along 300. The stock rebounds back up. Instead of selling it all, I sell half of it. It goes higher. I still have the other half. It goes lower, back to the LOD. I take the half I sold. I rebuy back 300. It goes lower. I increase my position to 500. Now my average is here. It ticks back up. I sell half. It goes higher. I have half. It goes lower. I do it again. Mojo is ready to play the game. At the end of the day, my P&L will be profitable because I press the buttons a lot. Let me show you. Here's what you do. I'm a trader. I bought it on the X. The stock goes down. Guess where the stock is going to come back to? Let's make an imaginary number. You own it at 54 cents, whatever the number is in front of it. Guess where the stock's going to come back to? 52 cents, 51.49. It's going to come right under where you own it. Does the market know you? What is it? You? Or you control the market with that? Of course. They know you own that stock. So it comes back up. You went from $1,000 loss to a $300 loss, and you're frozen. You're waiting to get to here. It never does. It goes right back down. So I could help you trade and show you how to turn not perfect trades into not losers. Okay? We're trading very liquid stocks. IB, ARCA, L, I got something here. ARCA has 2 routes. Here, check out this. To all trading DGAS. ARCA has 2 routes. One for large companies, which is ARCA LM at the end, and ARCA EL for the more risky, less liquid small caps, so ARCA ELM at the end. The hell's the difference? You believe that? It's got that message. We're 581, cost 73, looking good. So let me show you some other stocks. We traded UVXY today, down here at a low. We traded XIV today, which is now up 35 cents. We bought it right here at 31.80 to go through 32. It's at 33.15. Quite amazing. Quite amazing. Nice job, everybody. Anybody have any questions today? So let me tell you what happens when you lose. Okay? I saw a video. The guy goes, I'm going to go and get drunk. I'm going to go cry. I'm going to go throw my computer out the window. I'm going to go do this. I'm going to go do that. DGF. Your trading is wrong. Okay? So what's going to happen? You're going to lose again. What are you going to cry again? What are you going to get drunk again? You lose for a week. Now you're an alcoholic. Your brain's fried. Can't even make rash decisions. That doesn't work. What are you going to go eat? Pints of ice cream? You keep on losing, you're going to be a fat ass. Can't do that. You know what you got to do when you lose? Don't give an F. It's a loss. See, again, watch. I buy here. It goes higher. I win. If it goes lower, because who knows which way the freak the stock's going to go. If it goes lower, I make a deal with the trade devil right here as soon as it goes lower. And I say, dude, I'm going to buy one more time right here. If you tick it back up, I'll sell it all. And he ticks it back up, I sell half of it. I'm like, thank you. And then he brings it back down. And then I start rebuying, depending upon the stock. Or I sell it all and I just bought here, comes down, buy here, sell it, get out, comes back down, reestablish a new position with a much lower cost basis. Anything up here is easy to do. This is where you need to learn how to manage risk, manage share size. Okay? Everybody follow that? It's not a matter of a loss. It's a matter of how much of a loss. That's the difference. That's the difference. So we got 578 by 579 looking real nice. Let's see if we can get into the 90s. If we can get into the 90s, we're going to go up pretty much higher into the 6s. So that would be a great maneuver to absolutely do.
Yeah, baby.
Okay. So let's cheer for that to see what happens. That would be real nice. XIV, I won't trade again. We've already made our move in it. UVXY, I don't want to trade anymore today. It's Friday. We've made our money. With that said, Pro Trader Mike is signing off. Everybody's going to keep it profitable. Again, thank you for making these profits today in the MOJO Day Trade Room, all you traders, and I'll speak to you really, really soon. Everybody enjoy your weekend. Be safe. Bring it back Monday. We do the same thing, solid and strong. Pro Trader Mike signing off. Peace. Keep it profitable.